today we got this bag from n8n. So it is kind of a thank you on the appreciation gift from n8n. So what we got inside this from the n8n is we got one new t-shirt from them with n8n branded. Then most importantly, we got this Pocket Pro mini wireless microphone for creators. It's also from n8n. So here you can see the n8n branding. It's wireless. Apart from that, we got this ring light. This can simply connect with a laptop and we can just turn it on and use it like this. Then with this, we also got one n8n cap. We got some stickers from n8n. And finally, most importantly, we got one n8n thank you card. So they are thanking us, they are appreciating us for creating the content on YouTube. So yeah, that was our first branding stuff we got from any company. So that was a kind of a achievement for us because this cannot be bought with money. This is something which can be earned. So yeah, thank you.